So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can repurpose your YouTube videos to blog just in a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First of all, before filming any videos, you need to optimize your title first, or choosing your even topic. You need to optimize your topic. So just simply check the keyword like this. You can utilize VidIQ for finding the optimized topics and then titles. What I recommend is look for video content and thumbnail less than 1 year with really high views, like 100K views or 200K views. And then once you find your content topics from YouTube and Google, then you're gonna film video through Descript. It's okay to film any other platform, just I like Descript and it's really convenient for me, because I can just simply generate the blog post through Descript AI feature by simply going to action here, ask AI, and then there is a blog post, and also even I can generate YouTube description and also timestamps if I ask for. For creating blog post, you can just simply click on blog post, and then if you are not using Descript, you can just utilize this one into Chat GPT. This really works well when I copy all of the script that I corrected the English, because they usually auto-generated some wrong spelling and some wrong words. So I had to go through all of the script, once again. And then once I have the kind of like perfect copywriting, then I'm just going to copy that and then paste into this Chat GPT with this prompt. And then they generate like this type of blog post. This is really good. And then finally, you're going to check out this title is really working well on Google. Just checking the keywords, if it's really relevant enough into the Google search engine, because this blog post will be on Google and other search engine platforms. You can even check out the search volume itself here once again, so that you can determine if this title has a really popular keywords or not. If you want to really thoroughly optimize your blog post, you gotta need to utilize those SEO tools like SEMrush, like those popular platforms, or even just Google Keyword Planner. For my blog posts and my social media posts, I don't have time for a lot of work right now. If it was for my clients, then for sure, I'm gonna use Keyword Planner and other SEO tools. But for my business, this is how we do. And then once you have a fully optimized your blog post, I'm using WordPress, by the way. Go to post here, and then you can just simply add new post. I already have lots of blog posts in my website. And in WordPress, there is I don't know how to pronounce this, AIO SEO. And then they will let you know the kind of like the score here, so that you can understand that this is good or not. Obviously, this is like around 60% quality, I guess. But I'm okay with that for now, because I'm using these YouTube videos to blog post and also short form videos, so that I can cut down my time spent on content creation, because I cannot do this like full-time work for everything. Although I have team members, our focus is sustainable approach for content creation. So I might adjust the SEO keywords later, but not now. Okay, I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions regarding how to repurpose your content creation, just feel free to leave a comment below, and then I'll catch you later. Bye for now.